ex-funeral home director responsible for mishandling human remains and bodies will not spend further time behind bars.
WDRB's Katrina Nickel tells us why he received the sentence he did. Katrina?
Well, Randy Langford has spent most of the year in the Clark County Jail and just in the last month home incarceration. And he will spend another year under house arrest and 8 years probation. He will also pay restitution to more than 40 victims. But those whose loved ones were mishandled don't believe that punishment fits the crime.
How we memorialize my brother has been forever tainted by what Mr. Langford did.
Kelita Williams held a memorial for her brother, but she found out later the ashes in a green urn weren't his.
I never imagined that I would ever go through anything like this.
Her brother Larry was one of 31 bodies and 16 cremated remains found piled inside Langford Funeral Home last year.
He had bodies just rotting in his care.
Samantha Lynn's mother was another victim.
It's been very frustrating.
The two have watched the former funeral director's case play out. Last month, Langford pled guilty to more than 40 felony charges, but they were all theft-related charges.
What he did was unfathomable for a normal person to see happen. It's just not defined as a crime.
Attorney Larry Wilder is handling over a dozen civil lawsuits against Langford. Wilder says the reason there are no criminal charges related to Langford handling of corpses is because he was a licensed funeral director and embalmer. Given the expectations with that job, they are exempt from being prosecuted under Indiana's criminal law related to abuse of corpse.
They pursued fraud charges because there really wasn't a crime that fit the failure to do what he did.
It is what has left Lynn feeling like justice for her mother has not been served.
He let these bodies rot. He did a lot of families wrong.
It's left Williams in disbelief.
We still just have this memory of what has happened in this green urn that was supposed to be my brother's cremains.
As for the civil lawsuits, Wilder expects those to take another year or two before settling. In those civil cases, he's been accused of negligence.
Yeah, so much pain still there for all those families. Thanks, Katrina.